Okay, guys, it's Tuesday and there's a lot of unboxing going on. So today I got my Ipsy bag and it's October 2024 Beauty Nightmares. So in this month's bag, I got Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Vitamin Enriched Face Base Moisturizer and Primer, Fenty Beauty Semi Lip Matte Lipstick in the MVP color, Moon Slice Beauty Press Blush in Gorgeous, Toy Factory Oat Bay Oil Makeup Remover, Pure Heal Centella 80 Eye Cream. So I definitely for sure picked the Fenty as my pick for this month. This is the bag that it comes in. So cute. Super Halloween themed. Okay, so like I said, I definitely picked the Fenty lip. So this Bobbi Brown Cosmetics moisturizer primer says get your skin healthy in check with a daily dose of this vitamin infused cream, hyaluronic acid, squalane, and shea butter deeply hydrate and nourish your skin, creating a plump, glowy, and smooth base that grips onto your makeup and leaves a flawless looking finish. So it says tip, allow the primer to fully set for 1 minute before applying makeup. The full size version of this product is $69. So hopefully it doesn't stain when I try it out. Fenty. Fit for red carpet. This is the cool tone red lippy you wear when you want to be seen. It's highly pigmented, packed with moisture locking hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, and amino acid technology for a plush feel that keeps lips comfy, plump, and moisturized. Tip, swipe this along your lips for high impact color. Full size of this lipstick is $20. That is a beautiful red. Oh my goodness. I have the lip from Beauty Vault, like from my earlier bag on my lips right now. It's like a few videos ago. Moon Slice Beauty Press Blush in Gorgeous. For a full-on flush of radiant coral pink cheeks, reach for this powder blush. It's highly pigmented and buttery, soft for a perfect pop of color on your cheeks. It says tip, sweep the blush over your cheeks and the bridge of your nose for a baby doll look. That's definitely like that in real life makeup look for sure. A full size of this is $15. Where are we at? This Toy Factory Oat Bay Oil Remover. So it says, don't be fooled by its gentleness. This luxurious makeup remover easily wipes away the day's dirt, debris, and full-on glam, even the stubborn waterproof kind. A dual mix of oat milk and oil plus chrysanthemum and hyaluronic acid can help calm and hydrate your skin to a pampered glow. So it says tip, shake the bottle to mix the oil and milk together for optimal makeup removal. It came right on time because I ran out of facial cleanser. Full size version of this is $36. And the last product that I received is the Pure Heal Centella Eye Cream. So it says, need to give your eyes a wake-up call. This is your go-to for a smooth and youthful-looking eye area. It deeply hydrates to and helps to firm up your skin without irritation. Thanks to the brand's 80% Centella Asiatic, aka Cica Complex, helping eyes look brighter and tighter instantly. So it says tip, gently tap a pea-sized amount on your ring finger around your eyes until fully absorbed, and the full size product of this is $23. I'm showing you guys backwards. So I'm definitely going to put this thing to work today. Obviously, I have on makeup, and I can't wait to try this one tonight. And we'll see about the Fenty lipstick. I know that's like awesome. This is my second lipstick I think I got from Fenty Beauty. So super excited. I actually love Fenty products. All right, let's see what size this is. Oh, it's a cute container as well. Let me see if it smells like anything. Can't smell anything, but yes, I'm definitely using this tonight. If you want to try an Ipsy bag, let me know. Comment, email, DM, whatever the case may be, and you guys can try a bag for free and see all the goodies I got, and you guys can get goodies too. So, yeah, send you guys some hearts, some kisses, and bye.